What's going on, guys? Super exciting day for me here at the shop because I am about to install windscreen protection. So we're using Stek Dyno Shield and we're going to be doing windscreen protection film on this beautiful example of a BMW Z4M Club Sport build. Okay guys, so the windscreen on this car, this is the original BMW windscreen. Car's only done 14,000 miles, owned. Same owner from brand new. So the original BMW screen. Now these screens, guys, windscreen protection might not be for everybody, but the people that it is for, there's a reason why you're watching this video. So on your average kind of new car, your Vauxhall Corsas, whatnot, no problem, get your windscreen replaced by auto glass. But cars like this, guys, I'll be honest with you, even if I had a Vauxhall Corsa, one thing you don't want to be messing with is your windscreen. We've got the factory seals, factory rubbers, factory glass. All these cowlings here on these older cars get brittle. So removing this windscreen often causes a lot of damage to other parts of the car. I have had numerous people where dashboards have been damaged, paintwork's been damaged, cowlings have been damaged. We just don't want to go there. So if you've got something that's special, if you've got a car like a Tesla with lots of sensors in the screen, those screens are on back order at the moment, you're looking months, and then they've got to recalibrate all the sensors. Car like this screen is on national back order. Guys, you're talking a year to get an original BMW screen with the green tint on it. This is a valuable piece of this car, and I'd actually rather have a panel repainted than actually replace a screen. So supercars, if you've got, I'll give you an example. I did a Urus, Lamborghini Urus windscreen. Guys, Lamborghini Urus windscreen is £4,000. The protection cost, I think it was $795. This car would be about 450 quid, I guess, something like that. So, you know what? In my opinion, it pays for itself, and this stuff is robust. You're talking, I mean, you can literally shoot a BB gun at it. In fact, that's what we did in the product testing. We shot a BB gun at it, removed the film, and guys, there was nothing, absolutely nothing at the screen. So the first step, the car is maintenance safe washed, and then it's dried off using our dryers, contactless as possible. So the next step is to prepare the windows, and we want to make sure we've got all the contaminants off the screen. So what I'm going to do here, guys, I'm going to clay down this screen. What this does, I can actually hear it picking up all the contaminants that's on the screen, and just get this screen prepped. We need everything spotless to get a seamless install. Remember, it's not on bodywork where there could be the odd blemish or whatnot. You're going to see this, you're going to be looking through it. So it's really important that we're getting the best finish possible. So we are going to really go to town with the preparation of this screen. Next up, get a good old squeegee. Let's really clean this up. Silicone squeegee. Make sure it's perfect. Okay, so now I'm going to get some CarPro Eraser, which is an oil dissolver. I'm going to make sure I go around all these seals, get right into the rubbers, get it on the screen, any kind of oils that's on there, this will get it off. And from there, we're ready to lay down the film. What I'll probably do is go back again with the squeegee and just get it off it, you know, have another go at it, get it perfect, okay? So, let's go. Probably a bit more than what I need, but overkill is definitely the name of the game. So this is the second squeegee. Making sure get all of these up. I'm going to pressurize this can to around 100 psi. Here are the tools that I'll be using for the install: pink squeegees and this absolute beast of a squeegee. Grab there, and yeah, and then just throw it on the floor. Don't touch anything yet until I spray it. That should hold. Yeah, nice. That's it. Now, give your hands a little wash up again. can see that you've got a good form here. What you've done, can you see how it's sitting straight away?
Yeah.
If you didn't form this how I wanted you to have done it, you'd have a big bunch here. Okay? So you did a good job there, well done. You did a really good job there, brother. Okay, so what we're going to do now, so we're going to go triangle, up, 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 nice, that looks great. You wouldn't think that's got PPF on it, would you?
No, can't even see it.
And then this bit might be a slightly more difficult piece. So what we'll do, and it looks like it's gone down quite well. So what I'll do here is we'll go back at these pieces. Now I can deal with all these little fingers at the end, but now my key is to make sure, obviously there's going to be moisture behind it. And I'm going to go the other side. That looks really good. And I'm going to So guys, just to recap, this might not be for everybody, but we're thinking of your customer that's got rare cars, you've got really difficult to replace screens, screens that have got sensors in them, cars like this where this screen is on back order for a year, and then you get a pattern piece. Anything that you've got that you just don't want the screen out, guys, this is the service for you. And here it is outside the workshop. Absolutely flawless install. Really, really pleased with how that's turned out. Right guys, I've just driven this back home. Been on the motorway for the last 35 to 40 minutes. Delivery went the long way around. Guys, I see very, very few pitfalls to this product, as I've said already. Optically clear. And now I've got that added security of knowing my screen's protected. If it starts to look scruffy in 5 or 6 years time, I'll peel it off and replace the piece. Job done. Really, really happy. There are also products as well to maintain the screen and to promote the high hydrophobicity products that this already has. And there's also creams to keep it optically clear. Guys, fantastic product. This is my favorite product I think that we offer as a company. So anyway, hope all is well, hope you guys are well. Thank you for following. If there's anybody that you think could benefit from this, that's got a classic, that's got something rare, that's got something with a big screen, that's got a Tesla with all the bits in, that's got a heads-up display, guys, just send them this video, please. All right, thank you very much. Peace.